Hey, this is my 4-month update of my braid locks. I am excited. I don't really have that much to share. However, it's cool to begin to see my hair turn more into, it looks more like locks. The fuzziness is coming in. You know, I tried the 2-point interlocking as opposed to the 4-point interlocking, which was cool. I'm going to show you updates on how that looks in a moment, but if you're interested in seeing more, please continue watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. So this month I had quite a few issues. Well, one major issue was, I'm not sure if it was me trying the Jamaican Castor oil or if it's been the weather changes, because some people say when the weather changes your scalp starts to itch. I don't know if that's a real thing or something that can be backed up by science, or if that's just a thing that people with wisdom say. I don't know, but either way it goes, my scalp was itching like freaking crazy. 2, I tried Jamaican Castor oil, and they say that that stuff makes your scalp itch, and I think that that may be it too. Like, my scalp was on fire. Like, I had a freaking, what's that head thing you use to massage your head? It got stuck in my hair. Felt good though, but I could not stop. Like, I was in work with that little head scratcher thing on. So I was talking with my mom, and she told me that Jamaican Castor oil makes her scalp itch like bad too. So she learned not to put it on her actual scalp, but to put it on her hair, and which is still good. It's just the scalp, it like something ain't right. So I am not gonna put black Jamaican castor oil on my scalp anymore because it was fierce. It was like an insatiable itch that I just could not get rid of, and I just kept going. I went to sleep itchy scalp. Like, I washed my hair like 3 times. It was just not the business, not the business. So I learned not to use that, but I'm also gonna see if it really is the Jamaican castor oil, or also another thing that I think it could possibly be is me having an allergic reaction to the gel nail polish that I have on my nose. I think there was one time where I had gel nail polish on my nose as well, and I was scratching my scalp and it was itchy, but I think that most likely out of all the 3 options, I think it is the Jamaican castor oil. As I stopped using it, and I think my head was like over it, and so I've been okay since then. Okay, second thing I wanted to say was I tried the 2-point interlocking. It took me a couple hours. I did the 2-point instead of the 4-point. I heard that the 2-point, thankfully to one of the subscribers, she let me know that the 2-point is better because your hair can actually poof up more as opposed to the 4-point, which it makes, I guess, a tighter knot. I could be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. Sorry if I am. So yeah, I tried the 2-point, and I actually really like that a lot. So I may continue doing the 2-point, and I think I also may continue doing twisting at sometime, just not right now, because I've been working out and stuff, and I don't want to just twist my hair and then it just comes out, and that's no fun. But I also don't want to get too used to interlocking my hair if I want to twist it. I don't know, I think twisting it might make it thicker than interlocking, but also, again, I'm not really completely sure. So I'll show you some up close photos or video of my hair up close to kind of see how the interlocking is going. So thank you for watching, and again, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.